The European Union will provide over 200 million euros in assistance to Laos during the period from 2014 to 2020, with the main focus of aid funding being towards effectiveness and long-term sustainability.
In terms of health system, it's very important to be able to diagnose disease.
Speaking to local media in Savannakhet province recently, EU Delegation Chargé Michel Goffin said the details of how much funding would go towards each sector had yet to be quantified, but funding would be prioritized towards projects that were proving to be cost-effective and achieving concrete results. He said, saying the focus areas will be education, rural development and governance, that it takes quite a long time for the EU to design a project as it focuses on quality and sustainability of the projects.
And more importantly, people that can take care of that material. Because
Michel Goffin confirmed that although Laos will be graduated from the UN's list of the least developed countries, or LDC, by 2020, it does not mean that the EU will stop its assistance to Laos.
The European Commission funded project strengthening local government.
The EU also gives assistance to non-LDC countries like Vietnam. Future EU assistance will be contingent on progress towards the Millennium Development Goals, or MDGs, and if maternal mortality rates remain high or education levels remain low, funding is likely to continue. Michel Goffin said that when Laos does graduate from the LDC list in 2020, the EU assistance will be more on capacity building in order to help the country to further develop
livestock farming initiatives.
It is recorded that the EU has previously stated its commitment to focusing assistance on the 48 least developed countries across the globe, which includes Laos. The EU currently gives Laos 16 million euros each year, covering many areas including climate change, agriculture, unexploded ordnance removal, health, education, rule of law, and human rights. Future EU support will be implemented in close collaboration with relevant government ministries and agencies, international organizations, and both international and local civil society organizations.